Hi, this is Handy TF. In this video, we will spray the Wet and Forget on these moss, on the roof shingles, to see if it really remove these moss. We actually apply the Wet and Forget 2 times, to ensure that the surface is fully saturated by the Wet and Forget. Hi, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below, this will encourage me to make more free videos to help more people. After 6 months, the moss turns brown, are all dead. However, these dead moss still stick to the shingles, will need to be brushed away. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for your time, Handy TF.